Hi, YouTube family! My name is Elysia English.
And I'm Philip English.
And today we have been stuck in the camper bathroom.
We weren't actually stuck in the camper bathroom. There's actually no toilet, and I don't even think we have TP. So it's a good thing that we're not stuck in the bathroom.
But it is an incredibly tiny space in our camper bathroom, and like Philip said, we've actually already removed the toilet so that we had a little bit more room to work and move around in there. But we actually are also missing something else in the bathroom. We don't even have all of the walls in the bathroom right now. So I'm not even sure what kind of room this is currently because there isn't a whole lot of bathroom components in it, but we need to get this space put back together. And so today we are going to be doing a whole bunch of renovation on the bathroom space.
I can't wait.
So the update on the bathroom right now is pretty hideous behind this gorgeous door. And the best part about it is actually the door at this point. And so I'm thrilled with this wood quilt door that we made. I'm really happy that I rolled over it with white paint. I know some of you are freaking out because the colors on it were really beautiful, but inside this small space, it just wasn't right. So I promise you in the end, with everything put together, it was gonna be the best choice to paint this white. And so I'm going to just actually remove the door and get it out of the way because we haven't actually put the hinges back on it yet. I still need to finish painting the back side. And inside the bathroom, you can see we have a lot of work ahead of us. So we've removed the toilet. We removed and repaired actually all of the leaking that was happening on the ceiling. We got the vents and everything all sealed up. And we've actually had so much rain over the past couple of weeks that we know that we are good to go and that there's no more leaks. So we're ready to tackle this space. We need to fix this wall, get some insulation in there, and then put the ceiling and walls back up. So we're going to tackle that first. And then we need to start rectifying this wall issue, renovating the tub, sink, vanity, and this lower part here. And then we need to make sure that we have storage in this bathroom because it is incredibly small. And then of course, we need to put that toilet back in because it's...
Now, I'm in the back of the bathroom here, kind of in the shower space. And the old wall that we took down, some of the old plywood's still stuck up, and there's a bunch of the nails that they use to attach this 1/4 inch ply or 1/8 inch ply. I don't know how thick this stuff is. And we're gonna get the rest of this wood off. So I'm just using a scraper, scraping it down, making sure it's clean, and then we're gonna get the nails either punched in or taken out and get ready for the insulation and then new wall to go back up. It's 36 from inseam to inseam, so 3 feet.
Okay.
I hope it's all the way. That's 36 there. 36.
Yay.
36. 36, and then it goes bigger here.
Yeah, because of the width of the top. We want to make it at least, is that
This is
60
5
inches?
feet to the fan,
Okay.
and
Then we'll measure the next piece from there. Hornets!
idiots.
We love bumblebees. We don't love hornets. I would just lower the blade. Take the... Yeah.
Good call, hun.
How are you gonna get that in there?
Maybe I should have cut it smaller.
Oh my.
Aha!
Yay! You did it.
Oh, no, I didn't.
There's a faucet in the way. There we go. I'm not laughing at you, I'm laughing with you.
So hot.
Oh.
I think I gotta take it out too to cut it.
No. It's so hot.
I'm just dripping.
Okay, so a week and a half ago, it snowed, hailed, and had freezing rain. And today we are sweating to death in the camper trying to do the renovation. Unbelievable how the weather has changed.
It's worth it though.
So worth it. We cut a little insert for where it's going to surround the fan on the roof. So Philip just used the jigsaw to be able to get that cut. We did the measurements by holding it up, and then we're going to put this on this back wall and then work on the ceiling part if we can get this in the bathroom. Did you do it backwards? It's so hot in here, the camera's fogging. Can you believe that?
Yeah, I do.
That looks great. When it's all drilled tight, put some drills in the bottom corners and then you can work on the top, right? Because you know it's in a perfect spot once it's along that bottom seam. I'm already envisioning this with the beautiful tiling I'm gonna do.
Are you?
My DIY tiling I'm gonna do.
Ooh.
All I was thinking was that song. It's like, it's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes.
It's getting too hot. I'm gonna take my clothes off.
Oh man. Don't worry, we won't scar you, YouTube family, with taking our clothes off. We have some of the walls repaired in the bathroom here, and we need to still work on a little bit of this section on the roof, but we need to get some more insulation. And so what we want to do is take a little bit of a break right now because
I feel like I have heat stroke.
it is so hot today. We can't even physically stand in that bathroom space any longer. So we are actually going to call it quits for the day because we just cannot physically stand in here any longer.
I'm literally dreaming of the other night hanging out by the pond.
Shine your light.
Look at
them all swimming. I gotta get closer so I can see. Oh, there he is.
There's two there.
Shine your light.
Look at this guy. Oh, he's cool.
Oh, he's floating.
Hey, buddy. Oh. They're eating all the mosquitoes. Hey, buddy. He's coming over.
Hey, bud. Hey, Dave.
Hey, buddy.
Can I pick him up? Hold on.
Oh.
Just take your blue lights off.
Oh.
Oh. Listen. I'm trying to get him.
Hey, look. Oh.
Oh, he's on the rock. Hey, buddy.
They're everywhere.
So many fun things at our pond.
He's really chilling. Do you see him blink? That was so cute.
Okay, a bunny.
Oh wow, that's the coolest thing ever.
Thank you, buddy.
Oh my god.
Another one? Another one?
It scared the crap out of me. He touched my elbow. He touched my elbow. And I jumped.
He's so chill.
He's so... He's the coolest.
Mermaid, you're so cool.
Yeah, mommy got
look,
it.
there's another
Thanks,
guy.
buddy.
There's another guy right here.
Frog.
Hi, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, dude.
I think he's calling all his he's calling all his friends.
Calling all his Miss Piggies to the. Oh.
Wait, isn't Hermit the frog from?
There was two in the log and one. What's the song?
Roll over.
Oh.
See, buddies. Thank you.
We thought it would be super cute to show you guys what it's like behind the scenes at our house. You guys are always asking, what do we do in our free time and how do we manage having the kids, making our content, doing our business and doing everything. And our secret to that is that we always treasure all of the little moments, even if it's late at night when the kids are supposed to be in bed and they're in the backyard with glow lights hunting for frogs. I mean, these are the moments that when the kids are older, they will truly remember. And these are definitely the moments that Philip and I cherish, listening to our kids giggle and looking for creatures in the backyard. We don't have to even leave the house to have these grand adventures that they absolutely love and talk about for days to come. So we hope you enjoyed this adorable footage. We think our kids are pretty cute, but I mean, we're pretty biased because they're our kids. But we have so much fun with these small moments with the boys. So we hope you guys enjoyed this because we love showing you guys what our family is like behind the camera. So with that, we just kind of filmed for ourselves, but I thought it was just far too cute to not show our YouTube family what the boys are like sometimes off camera. So we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It is 30 degrees, which is super hot compared to what we've had in the past couple of weeks.
It feels like 50 degrees in here.
Yeah.
It's so hot.
Both of us have like super bloodshot eyes. We are just dripping. There's no air movement today. There's no breeze at all. It's just absolutely crazy. So we are actually going to go in and get extra hydrated. Thank goodness we were wearing sunscreen today and get ourselves something to eat. Edit this video for you guys because we actually thought today we were going to be picking up all of the materials for our big project that we have coming up on our channel, but they weren't quite ready for us to come get all the supplies. And so we are going to be picking up, I think tomorrow. We're just waiting for the email confirmation, but we are beyond excited about this next big project.
So I saw a bunch of comments from our YouTube family saying, can we guess what it is? But we actually kind of showed you already what it was.
We did.
So you can guess all you want, but most of you know already what we're going to be doing.
Pretty exciting. Some people said it was a doghouse. Not a doghouse. Think so much bigger.
So much bigger.
Amazing.
Grand.
We're really excited about this project. So if you are not already part of our YouTube family, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Join our YouTube family. We just surpassed 108,000 YouTube family members. So there's a huge family over here to join. So hurry up and hit the subscribe button.
The best YouTube family on YouTube.
Anyways, we love you guys. We're going to go get some nice cold drinks and we will see you on tomorrow's video.
Bye.
Bye.